not deposit one side. It has been deposited in different sides now. It may be in covariance now. How it is standard deviation you are going to calculate? RA, R mean square A. It is more than 1, I took n minus 1. Some authors take n, some authors take n minus 1. So alpha is equal to R mean A minus beta into R mean M. It will work out 13.61. Very good morning to one and all. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, called by name Dr. BSS, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Grade College, a Temple of Excellence. Today I am going to hang Financial Management 4, 6th semester, Unit 5, Session 2, in favor of BBA. It goes to portfolio risk and return. In the risk and return, if there is a market portfolio is there, how to work out? What are the things to be calculated? Here, we are going to calculate expected because they have given portfolio return. Your share have been bifurcated to number of units. It may be in share, it may be in debenture, it may be in bonds, it may be in mutual funds. Not deposit one side. It has been deposited in different sides now. It may be in covariance now. What are the covariance are? What's beta? What's it? So here before going to problem, these are all called individual numbers are given. Here we are not taking the probability, individual numbers are given. It is called, when you say that it is a post-dated, historical. So here, instead of expected return, we say that average return. How to calculate? What are the calculation you have to make? One is expected return, which is considered as average return. What are the things to be calculated? Average return. Anyone? Sigma return divided by number of items. Returns divided by security number of items. Then what is covariance? Here covariance is RA stock A, R mean A, RM minus R mean M, whole divided by, if the items are more than 5, you can take n minus 1. If they less than 5, some authors says take n, some authors says n minus 1 because the number of items are more. When you're taking the return, you have to take only total 9 items are there. So when you go for covariance, you are like there. Then what he wants? Beta. Formula for beta is covariance divided by sigma market M square, not standard deviation. Sigma market M square, portfolio market M square, what you are going to calculate. Then alpha, this is going to be calculated. I'm saying, which are the things to be calculated, I'm going to explain. One, R mean A, stock A, minus beta into R mean market. Average of stock, average market portfolio into beta you have to calculate. So alpha is equal to R mean A minus beta into R mean M. You must be very, very careful because these are all the individual numbers. I told when the individual numbers are given, when the probability is asking, so they are, instead of expected return, it is nothing but average return. Sigma R divided by N. Covariance is equal to RA minus R mean into RM minus R mean divided by N minus 1. Then beta is equal to covariance divided by standard deviation square. Then he asks what? Alpha. Alpha is equal to R mean A minus beta R mean M. This you have to apply. Now, we'll move on to problem now. Security stock A. Returns. Right, one by one. 10, 6, 13, 10, 6, 13, minus 4, 13, 14, 4, 14, 4, 18, 24, 22, 18, 24, 22. First add the figure. 10 plus 6 plus 13 plus 13 plus 14 plus 4 plus 18 plus 24 plus 22 minus 4, 120. Sigma R is 120. Then R mean is equal to R mean of A, 120. How many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 12. Come back here. Take the RA minus R mean A. So take this from the 12. 10 minus 12 is minus 2. 6 minus 12 is minus 6. 13 minus 12 is 1. Minus 4 minus 12 is minus 16. 13 minus 12 is 1. 14 minus 12 is 2. 4 minus 12 is 8. 18 minus 12 is 6. 24 minus 12 is 12. 22 minus 12 is 10. Only deviation from the regular mean, RA minus R mean. Then square of this, RA, R mean A, square. You can call this dx also. Then square of this, 4, 36, 1, 16 is 250, I think 256. 16 into 16, 256. 1, 4, 64, 36, 144, 100. So 4 plus 36 plus 1 plus 256 plus 1 plus 4 plus 64 plus 36 plus 144 plus 100. 646. 6. Repeat. 646. Okay. So this is RA minus R mean whole square. Then come back to market. Return on market folio. Return on market folio. 12. Portfolio. This is 12. 5. 18. Minus 8. 10. 16. 7, 15. 30, 25. Add the figure. This is 12. 12 plus 5 plus 18 plus 10 plus 16 plus 7 plus 15 plus 30 plus 25 minus 8, 130. Armenium 130 divided by 10 is 13. Take RM minus Armenium. 13. 12 minus here base. 12 minus 13 is minus 1. 5 minus 13 is minus 8. 18 minus 13 is 5. Minus 8 minus 13 is minus 21. 10 minus 13 is minus 3. 16 minus 13 is 3. 7 minus 13 is 6. 15 minus 13 is 2. 30 minus 13 is 17. 25 minus 13 is 12. Square of this Rm Armenium whole square. 164, 25, 21. 21 is 441, I think so. 21 into 21, 441, 9, 9, 36, 4, 17 into 17, 289, 144. Rm minus Rmin whole square. The square of this 1 plus 64 plus 25 plus 441 plus 9 plus 36 plus 4 plus 289 plus 144, 1022. Last step. This is Ra minus Rmin A into Rm minus Rmin M. Deviation. You can call this dx dy. This is the this is Ra, Rmin A, Rm. This and this, 2 ones are 2. 6 8s are minus into minus 48. 1 5s are 5. 16 minus into minus plus 16 into 21. 16 into 21. 336. Then 1 into 3 minus 3. 2 into 3, 6. 8 6 are 48. Minus into minus plus. 6 2s are 12. 17 into 12, 204. 12 into 10. This Ra Rmin is 10, is 12. 120. Add the figure. 2 plus 48 plus 5 plus 336 plus 6 plus 48 plus 12. See that? Plus 204 plus 120 minus 3, 778. So first one, covariance Rmin R minus Rmin A into Rm minus Rmin M divided by n minus 1. Ra Rmin A is 778. What's the number of items? 10 minus 1. 778 divided by 10 divided by 9 divided by 9. 86.44. This is your covariance. Then beta is equal to covariance divided by market square. Your GM square is equal to, how much you got? 1022 divided by this 9. 1022 divided by 9. 113.56. Apply now. What's your covariance? 86.44 divided by 113.56. 86.44 divided by 113.56. 0.76 is the beta. Alpha is equal to R mean of stock A minus beta R mean of market portfolio. What's your R mean A? 12 minus. What's your beta? 0.76. What's R mean M? 13. 12 minus 0.76 into 13, 9.88 is equal to 12 minus 9.88, 2.12%, your alpha. This is the way you have to do. Carefully you have done. Covariance is equal to R mean, means R mean A, RM, R mean divided by N minus 1 I took because more than 5. Beta is called covariance, which is market square. Market square is 1022 divided by N. Formula is market square is equal to always total divided by N, sigma R divided by N. This is total 1022 divided by 9. So this goes carefully beta, then alpha. We are not calculating the standard deviation here. We'll move on to next problem. Say another big problem. Calculate expected return, covariance, beta and alpha. We'll go with the stock. Same type you have to do it. Stock A, return. Stock A. Returns. But it's a lengthy problem. 20, 30, 20, 30. Procedure is same. Procedure is same but lengthy. 20, 30, 36, 28, 32, 32, 36, 8, minus 18, 28, 30, 28, 30, 28, 12, 28, 12, 14, minus 16. You make the total now. This is 20 plus 30 plus 36 plus 28 plus 32 plus 32 plus 36 plus 8 plus 28 plus 30 plus 28 plus 12 plus 14 minus 18 minus 16. 300. This is 300. Sigma R is 300. You can find out here. So R mean is equal to, how many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 items are there. So you can't see this here. We can write here. R mean is equal to sigma R divided by N. 300 divided by 15 is equal to 20. 300 divided by 15 into 20. Here, RA means R mean A. Take the deviation from 20. 20 is the base. 20 minus 20 is 0. 30 minus 20 is 10. 36 minus 20 is 16. 28 minus 20 is 8. 32 minus 32 minus 20 is 12. 32 minus 20 is 12. 36 minus 20 is 16. 8 minus 20 is minus 12. Minus 18 minus 20 is minus 38. 28 minus 20 is 8. 30 minus 20 is 10. 28 minus 20 is 8. 12 minus 20 is minus 8. 14 minus 20 is minus 6. Minus 16 minus 20 is minus 36. I took the deviation from 20. Now square of this, RA minus R mean A whole square. 0, 100, 256, 64, 144, square of this, 144, 256, 144, this is 38 into 38, 1444, 64, 100, 64, 64, 36, 36 into 36, 1296. This is RA minus R mean square. So this is 100 plus 256 plus 64 plus 144 plus 144 plus 256 plus 144 plus 1444 plus 64 plus 100 plus 64 plus 64 plus 36 plus 1296, 4176. Return of market folio, returns of market portfolio. What are the returns are? 12, 14, 13, 12, 14, 13, 10, 9, 10, 9, 13, 14, 13, 14, 10, 9, 13, 14, 7, 1, 12, 7, 1, 12, 7, 1, 12, minus 11, 16, 8, minus 11, 16, 8, 7, 7, 10. Add the figure. 12 plus 14 plus 13 plus 10 plus 9 plus 13 plus 14 plus 7 plus 1 plus 12 plus 16 plus 8 plus 7 plus 10 minus 11. So 135. So here Armenium 135 divided by 15. 135 divided by 15 is equal to 9. Take the deviation now. Rm minus Armenium 9. 12 minus 9 is 3. 14 minus 9 is 5. 13 minus 9 is 4. 10 minus 9 is 1. This is 0. 13 minus 9 is 4. 14 minus 9 is 5. 7 minus 9 is minus 2. 1 minus 9 is minus 8. 12 minus 9 is 3. Minus 11 minus 9 is minus 20. 16 minus 9 is 7. 8 minus 9 is minus 1. This is minus 1. 7 minus 9 is minus 2. 10 minus 9 is 1. Square of this. This is market square. 9, 25, 16, 1, 0, 16, 25, 4, 64, 9, 20 is 20 is 400, 49, 1, 4, 1. Add the figure. This is 9 plus 25 plus 16 plus 1 plus 16 plus 25 plus 4 plus 64 plus 9 plus 400 plus 49 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1, 624. Then RA minus R mean A into RM minus Armenium. Multiplication. RA Armenium A, carefully. RM Armenium. 1 into 3, 0. 10 into 5, 50. 16 into 4, 64. 8 into 1, 8. 12 into 0, 0. 12 into 4, 48. 16 into 5, 80. 12 into 2, 24. 38 into 8, 38 into 8, 304. 38 into 8 is 304. 8 into 3, 24. 10 into 20, minus 200. 8 into 7 plus 56. Minus 8 into 1 plus 8. Minus into minus plus 6 into 2 plus 12. 36 into 1 minus 36. This one minus 36. Add the figure. 50 plus 64 plus 8 plus 0 plus 48 plus 80 plus 24 plus 304 plus 24 plus 56 plus 8 plus 12 minus 36 minus 200, 442. I'll repeat, 50 plus 64 plus 8 plus 48 plus 80 plus 24 plus 304 plus 24 minus 200 plus 56 plus 8 plus 12 minus 36, 442. Correct. We'll go with the hope understand this application. So we'll go with the covariance. RA minus R mean A into RM minus R mean M divided by N minus 1. What is RA? R mean A, 442. Number of item is 15 minus 1. 442 divided by 14. Divided by 31.57. This is covariance. Market square, square of the market. Market square, RM minus RM square is 624 divided by 14. 624, T square of the market, this is 624 divided by 14. 44.57. Then apply. Beta is equal to, what's your formula? Covariance of stock A and market divided by market square. What's your covariance? 31.57 divided by 44.57. 31.57 divided by 44.57. 0.708 means 71. Alpha is equal to R mean A minus beta R mean of market. What's your R mean A? Is 20 minus beta 0.71, market of this 9. This is 20 minus 0.71 into 9, 6.39. 20 minus 6.39, 13.61%. This is the procedure. Covariance and beta and alpha you have calculated. So far in the previous problem, we are calculating the standard deviation. How is standard deviation you are going to calculate? RA, R mean square A. So you can say that standard deviation of stock A is RA, R mean A, 4th root of 4,176 divided by 14, root of 4176 divided by 14, 305.42, so 43. Root of this 17.48%. The standard deviation of market root of what's RM square 620 root of 624 divided by 14 root of 624 divided by 14 44.57 root of this 6.68%. Risk, this is risk of the stock A, risk of the market. So if they ask the standard deviation also, you have to do it like this. In the previous problems, we are doing only standard deviation. Today we concentrated on covariance beta and alpha. You must be careful here. Today we concentrated on covariance beta and alpha. What is covariance? This is stock A mean. This is the market mean. Here we can say that RA minus R mean A, RM minus R mean B divided by number of items. If it is more than 1, I took n minus 1. Some authors take n, some authors take n minus 1. So this is market square is equal to 624 divided by 14, 44.57. Beta is equal to covariance of stock A and stock market divided by market square. It will become 0.71. So alpha is equal to R mean A minus beta into R mean M. It will work out 13.61. If they ask the standard deviation, stock A, root of 4176 divided by 4. So standard deviation of the market, 624 divided by 14, root of the 6.68. Hope you understand. We have solved about the 4 problems here. So new entrances we did today. You must be very careful from the examination of point 2. We did beta, we did the covariance, we did the alpha. What is covariance? Stock RA minus R mean A into RM R minus M divided by N minus 1. Then what is market square? So what is next go to beta? Covariance divided by market square. Then alpha is equal to R mean A minus beta into R mean M. What's the formula alpha? Alpha is equal to R mean A minus beta, means market risk into R mean M. Hope you understand that. In the next session, we'll have some more problems on that. We already covered everything. In the next session, we'll go with the 3 securities and we'll meet in the next session. Till then, goodbye.